Alright guys, today is a very, very, very sad day. See what I'm talking about? Okay, so let's just get that back in there. Today the boat car, it comes to an end. She just wants to rev up and not even move. Maybe she'll get it one more time for us. She won't even go, man, but man, I feel like I'm losing my child, bro, but I just want to say I'm very grateful for all the people and opportunities that came about from the car. Yeah, dude, it's like I'm losing my child for real, bro. We just did so much across the country, man. But obviously, Yacht Poppy, I stay in a boat, baby, so I'm gonna have another one popping. But man, I love this thing to death. And it was my boy's grandma's car, so it's even sadder, you know. But again, I God bless. They're on the way to get her right now. Let's just give her one more rev for the people. Damn, dog. Rest in peace. Oh, baby, just gotta let her just drive one more time. It's raining on my head. I just wanna. Oh my God. Give me one last go, baby. Just give me one last go. You think we can hit one more donut, baby? One last time, man. One last fucking time. Oh, man. Fuck, I'm gonna miss this. Fuck. Guys, I am out here with my boat car.
Hey, that's no parking.